Hello and welcome back to IT Performance. Happy New Year. May it be good for everyone. In the news, there are some new Generation 9 CPUs coming out. They will not be replacing the existing CPUs. They will be to work alongside the existing CPUs, the i9 9900K, i7 9700K, the i5 9600K, and the i5 9400K will all have brothers and sisters with the F designation on the end. So i9 9900KF, in the past, the F has denoted that there's no onboard graphics on the CPU, built into the CPU, which means that if you purchase one of these, you will definitely need a discrete video card, which would mean it's probably targeted at the enthusiast, and it also will be helping to keep thermals down and power consumption down. So it's not a bad thing. It's just something else, especially if you plan on buying a CPU and have a system with a discrete graphics card, then you don't need to buy one with video on the CPU. Hopefully they'll be a little bit cheaper. Who can say? We'll find out. We'll find out. Okay, here's a big one. Microsoft are finally ditching their own coding for Microsoft Edge. They are going to be recoding it using Chromium as a base, which is Google's open source web browser. This will make it so that they can get Edge onto Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 machines and also Mac OS machines. So this will broaden the available market. It will also hopefully speed it all up a bit. There have been talks that Chrome or Google actively add items on their pages, like in YouTube, that actively slow down the loading of videos on anything other than Chrome. So this is one way of combating that for Microsoft. Hopefully it's good. We shall see. At the moment, CES, I think, is either on or just about to start. So we'll see what comes out of that. There will be some expected new phones, like the Samsung Galaxy 10 without a notch, but with a camera within the display. And when I say within the display, there will be cutout for the camera within the LCD display. So the display will go edge to edge, but there'll be a spot with the cameras. Does that mean wasted pixels around the edge? If you're watching a video or something, you'll have a black spot in the middle well, not in the middle of it, but off to the side, up in one corner. Is it better than a notch? So let's hope this is the beginning of the end of the notch. I hope so. Don't like them. Not at all. My phone doesn't have one. And let's hope they keep the headphone jack. That'd be great. On another note with Intel, they are finally updating their CPU architecture. Instead of the last at least two to three new CPUs that they've brought out, generations of CPUs, have all been based basically on the Skylake architecture. The new Sunny Cove architecture will be due to be released sometime this year, along with some new CPUs and possibly, I would say, a new chipset. Haven't heard anything about that yet, but new architecture, significant architecture change, depending on how you look at it. I would say would mean a new chipset to go along with it. So later on this year, new CPUs, new architecture, new motherboards. Don't upgrade yet, unless you want to get one of the new CPUs without the integrated graphics. Okay. Ooh, they'll probably have those with the new architecture as well. Hopefully on 10 nanometer as well. Fantastic. Okay, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I hope you all have a great year. Great prosperous year, 2019. Cheers. Bye.